Alright, Charlie Ponce is happy because this is his favorite dog park. Every time we come, there's a lot of doggies here because it's so, there's a lot of trees and it's cool. Yeah. Look at that little Stafford Terrier. He's a little beastie. He's gonna go to get neutered on Friday. So that's gonna be healthy for him, so he won't get any infections and stuff. And man, I love Charlie. He was glad because his friends just came. See? And they're playing good. These two doggies are nice. Let me see, they're behind the tree. Let me try to go around the tree. This is National Geographic with Charlie Ponce. No. They're trying to get the food. No. No. I'll give them a treat in a minute. I brought some treats. Because there's always a lot of doggies here. And see how they're going around the corner in packs? Because dogs are social animals. They love being around people and other animals. He's so happy when he comes here. It's a long drive though from where I live. It's about maybe 30 miles. Charlie Ponce. Look at those socks he's always wearing. He's a well-dressed man.